And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 62. Let us create a simple rocket icon. I'm gonna introduce a couple of new things, but we're gonna keep it easy. First up, press Ctrl R, then you can see your rulers and you can drag a guide out of there. It should snap to the center position, and use the pen tool. We haven't used it in dev, so we're just gonna create this shape with the basic functions. You left click to create these anchor points, and then return to the starting point to close your shape. And that's all there is, at least for now. Once you've got it, press Ctrl A to select it all, and I give it a stroke. So now you can see these three shapes that we want to create. The next step is we're going to give that curves. And the easiest way to do that is to right click on the box where the pen tool is and use the anchor point tool. And now you can hover over these lines and left click drag to make them curvy. Once again, we're going to keep it simple. So no short keys or anything, just left click drag, position them where you like the curves. Once we've got that, select it all, then hold Alt and drag a copy out of there, then right click, transform, reflect. Make sure it's set to vertical and you can see it when you've got the preview checked. You want to mirror it like this and then reposition it to the center. And now we've got a symmetrical icon. Next step, we're going to use the ellipse tool, go to the center guide, hold Shift and Alt when you drag it. That way we have a perfect circle in center. Let me flip it. I activate the selection tool, left click on the canvas to deselect. Reselect the ellipse tool, let me make that red. I go to the center yet again. Hold Shift and Alt while you drag and create a smaller circle. Now let's take care of the fill colors. I hold Shift here and select both bigger shapes. So the one on the left and the right with the left click. But again, you have to hold Shift when you do that. We don't need a stroke, but a fill. For the bottom elements, again, hold Shift, left click on them to select them both. You can also left click drag over these two shapes at the bottom, no stroke, and in this case a reddish fill. Now the two circles. I'll make that one white, and the outer one another bluish color, maybe something like this. Let me go to View, Guides, and clear the guides. A couple of details that we can adjust. Number one is I select it all here and then I hold Shift and click on the two circles to deselect them. I hold Alt when I resize this from one side to the next. That resizes the other side as well. And here at the bottom, I make these a little bit smaller and then I reposition the reddish element. So we're almost there, but you can see there's still kind of like a nasty line in center, so where our guide was. And to fix that, we can union shapes. So that's something completely new that I haven't yet talked about in this playlist. And for that to work, we need the Pathfinder menu. Just go to Window, click on Pathfinder. And this menu should pop up. Then hold Shift, select two elements that you want to unite and use the first function here. And it's going to connect these two shapes and it will make the center, this nasty line, vanish. Select it all, and when you rotate it, hold Shift. And this would be one way to create such a simple rocket icon in Illustrator. As I've said, a couple of new things, but definitely try it out. It gives you some practice in using Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.